video, I'm trying to explain what encapsulation is. Encapsulation also one of the pillar concept in the OOPS concept. In the previous video, I explained about the class and object concept, and this is about the encapsulation. In the anywhere you might read it something what encapsulation is as a definition. It gives you like it just binds the data and the data members. Data means here the properties and the methods, it will bind it together in one class. So this is partially correct, the definition of encapsulation. Encapsulation also helps for the protecting the data. Okay, and it will hide the properties, and also if you want to access it through in the protected way. Whatever I said, I'll explain it through the example, so it will help you to understand it clearly. Here you can see there is a class called bank account. So, and balance I kept it as a private. So what private is around, private is the access modifiers. So this encapsulation is we can achieve it by using the access modifiers. There are three access modifiers: private, public, and protected. So here I used a private one, private int balance. So what it means is that I kept it hidden. So inside the class, whatever property I declared it with a private, it means that outside this class, anybody is creating object to this class and accessing it, they can't access it. That is what it means, private means here. So, and next I'm created two methods, depositor and the get balance. So below you can see it that I created an object to this bank account, and I'm trying to change that value here. So b dot balance equal to, I'm making it -1000. Suppose instead of making it private, if I make it public property of this one, so outside the class anybody can change this value. Means in my account balance I have a 10,000. So if somebody assign the value to -1000, so my balance will become a -1000 in my account, so which is wrong. So that data has to be protected. So whenever you're creating an application for something like this one, it's not only the balance, even anything related to the customers personal details and all that, all you make it as a private properties. And also here I can't change it, even if that because here I made it private. If somebody try to access it also, means trying to change that value, balance value, this will give you an error because I made that as a private. And still I said one more way is that it will hide the data. This is when I make it private, it means that I hide it that. So still I can access them, means use the protected way. Means I can access them with a protected way. What it does means is that still, means I cannot you will not allow anybody to change it, but still you can see that if I want to see the balance, you can see their balance. So use this get balance. How you created an object, right? Similarly b dot get balance, if you did it, it will give a balance to you, but you cannot change it. That is how you can use it. But in practical way, in a programmatically way, what it means encapsulation is that it will bind both the properties and methods inside the class. And also if you want, you can hide that property with using the private access modifier. And in a protected way, if you want to access any of that in a protected way, so you can allow it by creating a method and allow user to access them through the method, not directly that value. So this is what the encapsulation meaning is. So hope you understood what encapsulation means. If you have any queries or doubts, please comment below so I can answer it. Thank you.